Hello! Yes, you've come to the right place. Jim's Kitchen. You know something that I really love? Girl Scout cookies. And you know which one is pretty special? The Thin Mint cookies. Well, I just heard something wild that you can make mock Thin Mint cookies using Ritz crackers and stuff. I gotta try this one. I'm ready for a mock recipe. I'm ready for a mock recipe. Are you mocking me? I sure am. It's mock recipe time. You need to get a block of this chocolate flavored candy coating. And I'm going to be melting this in the microwave. I'll be doing it for 90 seconds and then for 15-second intervals. And a tablespoon of shortening. And a couple drops of peppermint extract. Mix it all together. I've got my Ritz crackers. Time to drop them in the chocolate. Then you can place it on some wax paper. I'm using non-stick tin foil. Now allow them to cool. Mock Thin Mint cookies. They look good. But how do they taste? Let's find out. Is it like a Thin Mint? Pop it in my mouth. It's actually amazing. I love it. It is like a Thin Mint. This is something you have to try. Give it a go. It's fun. The problem with Girl Scout cookies is, no matter how many I eat, I always want some more.